Welcome to Boliao Cooking. Today I want to introduce you a dish that will increase your family bonding. I can assure you that after eating this dish, your mother will cow father, and your father will cow mother. Cow father, cow mother. Yes, the dish is cow, or we simply call it steak. The first step is to go to your nearest grocery store to buy some cow brothers and sisters. The more marbling the meat has, which is the white part of the meat, the better it will taste after cooking. First, what you need is a sous vide machine, which will cost you around Singapore dollars 200. But trust me, after you use this machine, you'll be able to cook all types of meat perfectly, and your partners will always boom pee pee. Next, what you need is some condom for your meat. Following that is the seasoning. I usually just season it with salt and pepper, but you can season it with salt and pepper, garlic powder, and herbs as well. However, if you like to get creative, you can add fertilizer, feces, or urine. Next is to put the meat in the condom, but make sure you buy the right size condom. Anything too small or too big won't work well. This is the time you bring your cow brother and sister to the jacuzzi, but make sure you put them nicely first and seal them up before you turn on the temperature. Then set the temperature of the sous vide machine to between 120 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, and after 2 hours, all 3 pieces is done. If I were to recommend you a sauce to die for, one that can change your husband's erectile dysfunction into a raging elephant, one that could stop your wife's desert drought and turn it into the ocean, it would be this: the French red wine sauce. And for this special sauce, the ingredients you need are stock, red wine, balsamic vinegar, flour, and butter. First, add 50 ml of balsamic vinegar and then reduce it by half. Then add 200 ml of your favorite red wine and reduce it by half. My helper forgot to take that part and caught me drinking instead. Next, add 250 ml of chicken stock. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. And after about 20 to 30 minutes, when the sauce is much reduced and thickened, it's ready. After your meat has finished their jacuzzi, it's time to bring them to the sauna. It's best to find a sauna room like this. However, if you do not have such tray, you need to sous vide your steak at a lower temperature. Otherwise, your steak will be like after jacuzzi go suntan. I'm cooking for my 4-year-old son, so medium well is okay here. Next, blowtorch it. I recommend Iwatani blowtorch, but you can try Karanguni one if you want. Add a small piece of butter here to make it better. And voila, you are done. Let steak rest for 5 minutes and begin slicing and plating. Don't forget, subscribe my YouTube channel, like and subscribe.